Hello students, I am Bhimesh, math teacher. Today I am going to prove the area of triangle in the Cartesian plane. What is the difference between plane and the Cartesian plane? Plane is a flat surface extending indefinitely in all directions. Our blackboard is an example for plane. Wall is a part of the plane. Yes. Similarly, if you draw a line parallel to earth is called x-axis. If you draw one more line perpendicular to x-axis is known as y-axis. Okay, the point of intersection of x and y-axis is called origin O 0, 0. In the Cartesian plane, if you take any triangle ABC having vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. To find this area of triangle, just a small construction should be done here. So, draw a perpendicular BP and AQ and CR on x-axis. Draw perpendiculars from B to P, A to Q and C to R on x-axis. Okay? Yes. So if you join them, we will get, there are three figures. What are they? 1, 2 and 3. What are these called? Yes, they are trapeziums. What is the meaning of trapezium? A quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel is called trapezium. There are three trapeziums. 1, 2 and the third one. To find the area of triangle ABC, just subtract this area of trapezium from sum of two areas of trapeziums. One is green and other one is red. Let us see. Before finding the area of trapezium, some measurements are listed below. The distance from A to y-axis is called x-coordinate, x1. The distance from B to y-axis is known as x2. The distance from C to y-axis is x-coordinate, that is x3. Yes, written here. Similarly, finding the distance from B to x-axis is y-coordinate, that is y2. The distance from A to x-axis is y-coordinate, that is y1. Similarly, the distance from C to x-coordinate is x-axis is y-coordinate, that is y3. Yes. Now let us see. The distance OP is x2. Similarly, PQ is, how will you get PQ? PQ is subtract OP, subtract PQ, subtract this distance from x1. You know that the distance from Q to O is x2. You know that, sorry, that is x1. This is x2. Just you subtract x2 from x1. Okay. Similarly, the distance from R to Q, how will you get it? The total distance from R to O is x3. So, the distance from O to Q is x1. Yes, this is simply x3 minus x1. Now apply these values. So before finding this, what is the formula for area of trapezium? Area of trapezium equal to half of the product of the sum of the parallel sides and distance between them. So area of trapezium. How will you find this? The sum half of the sum of the parallel sides, a plus b, into distance between them, that is perpendicular distance h. So how much? Half. Apply this formula. Simply we will get area of trapezium. First of all, find the area of, what is the formula? Area of triangle ABC equal to areas of two trapeziums minus area of biggest trapezium PRCB, trapezium PRCB. Okay, so areas of two trapeziums equal to, this is one parallel side, this is other parallel sides, so half into y2 plus y1, y1 plus y2 into, just I am finding greenish area of trapezium, and distance between them is x1 minus x2, x1 minus x2, and one more trapezium plus half into, how much this area of trapezium? This is one parallel side, this is other parallel side, a cube. Okay, so y1 plus y3 into distance between them is x3 minus x1. So finally area of trapezium PRCB minus PRCB. So here these two are parallel sides. Okay, so y2 plus y3, and distance between them, how much? PR. Do you know PR value? Just add these two, plus x1 minus x1 cancel, so you will get x3 minus x2. Okay, now these two multiply and subtract this value, you will get it. Half into, taking half as common, y1 x1, y1 x2 plus y2 x1 minus x2 y2 plus half taken as common, y1 x3, y1 x1 minus y1 x1, y3 x3 plus y3 x3 minus x1 y3. So minus, already half taken as common, y2 x3 multiplied by minus also, minus minus plus y2 x2 y2 x3 y2 x2. Now this is y2 plus y3. Yes, see here, y1 plus y2 plus y3. Yes, y2 into x3, y2 into x2. Now minus is there, y3 x3 minus y3 x3. So minus of minus plus x2 y3. Here sum of the terms will be cancelled. What are they? x1 y1, x1 y1. See, is there x1 y1? Yes, x1 y1 cancelled. remaining y3 x3, y3 x3, both will be cancelled, and y1 x2, x2 y3, verify, y2 x3, x2 y2, x2 y2, yes, x2 y2, x2 y2 cancel. So remaining half into x1 taken as common from first two terms, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the area of triangle. It's represented by delta. Delta equal to area of triangle. Should be measured in square units. Clearly see, children. What did you observe? Subtracted main trapezium, and if you remove, what will you get? Here. Yes, you will get area of triangle. Okay, please understand.